Hello my dear students, I, Pooja Madam from DAV Moyle Public School, welcome you all the students of 6th standard in the E-class session, and our today's topic is let us explore our computer operating system and application software. So my dear students, our learning objective of today's session is understand the concept of hardware and software. So let us begin. Do you know who are they? Yes, they are your friends. One of them is Tobo and another one is Dobo. Can you see Tobo's expression? He seems to be very tensed and disturbed. And can you see Tobo? Tobo is looking like a half machine and half human being. Both of them are good friends. So let us see the communication between Tobo and Tobo. Tobo said, "Hi Tobo." Tobo said, "Hey Tobo, you are so tech savvy, but I know so little about computer." Then Tobo said, "You look thoughtful. What are you thinking about?" Tobo said, "I was just wondering what our teacher said." So then Tobo asked him, "What did she say?" Tobo said, she said that a computer is an electronic machine that take input, process it and give us an output. And she also said that computer take input in the form of raw data and convert it into information. But I am really confused. Then Tobo said that whatever is the confusion, I think I can explain you detail. So, my dear students, here Tobo and Dobo are discussing about computer. And here Tobo is very confused regarding the definition of computer her teacher said to her. So let us try to solve his problem. Can you see something on your screen? Yes. Now let us make a coffee and left out with the stress. See, there is a coffee and we are adding some milk and coffee as a raw material to make a recipe of coffee. After that, after adding the raw material, third step is we are boiling it. That means we are processing the raw material. Then finally we get the final product. In the same way, computer also works. Let us check it out. Yes, computer takes the input in the form of raw material and then process it in the memory or CPU, and after processing it gives the output to the output device, just like the process we had seen in a preparation of coffee. First, here, what do you think? What is the input product? Yes, coffee and milk. And what is the processing taking place? Yes, boiling is the processing. And what is the output you get? A tasty coffee. In the same way, your computer also works. It takes the input in the form of raw material, then process it in the processing unit and give the final product in the form of output. to the output device. So, my dear friends, as per the information, we can differentiate our computer into two basic parts, that are hardware and software. So, how can you define hardware and how can you define software? I hope you know and understand the meaning of the word hard. Whatever that we can touch and feel is the hard, and in the same way you can explain the definition of hardware of the computer. Just check it out. This is the physical computer component of a computer system which we can touch and feel are called hardware. Have you ever seen these parts of the computer in your computer lab? Yes, a mouse, a keyboard, a speaker, a DVD writer, motherboard, RAM, ROM, hard disk, these all are the hardware. Why? Because we can see and touch the parts of the computer. These all are the hardware of the computer. Now let us see the definition of software. Software is something that is a set of programs which govern the smooth operation of computer system. But we cannot touch and see the software. Why? Because it is a set of programs which is inside the computer and installed in the form of program and helps the computer to govern smooth operation of computer system. Now let us check out the softwares. Yes, these are the software. A paint is a good example of software in which we give the instruction to the computer and it makes the painting for you. In the same way, Internet, Word, Excel, PowerPoint are the examples of software. So my dear student, how can you explain software? A software is a set of program which governs smooth operation of computer. My dear students, I hope you have understood the meaning of hardware and software. Both hardware and software are the essential part of computer system. In absence of hardware and software is unusable, and without software, hardware is unusable. So, hardware and software together form a usable computer system. That means that hardware and software are interdependent. I hope you have understood the meaning of hardware and software. In the next session, we will learn about different types of hardware and different types of software. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.